Good morning, everyone. And thank you for joining this audit plan presentation meeting and also welcoming the director board and managers. As the audit team leader, I would like to start off by discussing the purpose and the structure of our internal audit plan for Farmchem Private Limited for 2025. Let's start with why this audit is important. The primary purpose is to assess the effectiveness of our internal control, verify the accuracy of financial transactions, and ensure our reporting systems are compliant and up to date. This process helps us to detect and prevent frauds, minimize risk, and safeguard our assets. Now, why does this matter for us as a company? Farmkeeping operates in a dynamic and highly regulated industry where maintaining operational efficiency and financial integrity is critical. Additionally, Farmkeeping relies heavily on maintaining trust with stakeholders. So, the purpose of this audit is to ensure that our internal control systems are robust enough to handle the company's specific risk. To make this meeting productive, we have divided the discussion into key areas. Each team members will share insight into specific audit area. Netmi will start by addressing revenue recognition and then the Kavishka will walk us through the procurement. Kavindi will discuss assets management. Aloka will do receivables while Ishani do the payables. Dilma will focus on bank reconciliations. Dilnika is for card submission and finally Taruka will do the process implementation area. Throughout the discussion, I encourage everyone to ask questions and share feedback. So let's go through each area of assessment. Thank you.
Firstly, we will focus on the revenue recognition. Revenue is a high-risk area in any audit, making a thorough review essential to ensure accuracy, compliance, and fair financial reporting. Our audit will focus on verifying that revenue is recognized at a correct time and in accordance with compliance requirements, ensuring that sales transactions are recorded in the appropriate accounting period, and reviewing contracts to confirm alignment with revenue recognition policies. Given the high risk nature of revenue, we have scheduled an in depth review in Q1, allocating 7 audit days to mitigate potential financial misstatements early. Upon completion, we will deliver 3 key reports: the revenue recognition report, sales cutoff report, and contract compliance report. By addressing these critical areas, we aim to enhance financial transparency and ensure compliance with accounting standards. Thank you.
Let's discuss the procurement audit, which has been classified as medium risk. The classification is due to potential risks such as non-compliance with policies, inefficiencies in procurement process, or cost overruns if proper controls are not maintained. The focus area of this audit includes ensuring adherence to procurement policies to align activities with company standards, reviewing vendor selection and competitive bidding process to promote transparency and value for the company, and verifying purchase orders and invoices for accuracy and proper approvals. Additionally, we will assess the inventory handling of procured items to avoid wastage or loss and ensure that procurement was aligned with budget, avoiding significant variances or spending. This audit is planned for part 3 with an allocation of 7 man years. To conduct the review effectively, we will submit these sub-reports: the supply selection of reports, the purchase order compliance report, and the delivery timeliness review report. Thank you.
Next one is asset management. As part of our audit review, we assessed the assets management processes to ensure effective control and accountability over company assets. Our focus was on verifying asset existence and condition, ensuring proper asset tracking, and reviewing asset disposals. We conducted tests on depreciation policies to confirm compliance with accounting standards and examined insurance coverage to mitigate risk related to asset loss or damage. Additionally, we assess the maintenance schedule and disposal processes to confirm that assets are well maintained and decommissioned appropriately. Our findings will be detailed in three key reports. First one is Asset Tracking and Tagging Report, evaluating whether all assets are properly recorded and monitored. Second one is Maintenance Schedule Audit Report, ensuring timely upkeep of assets to prevent operational disruptions. Third one is Asset Disposal Process Review Report, confirming disposals follow company policies and regulatory standards. These measures are critical for safeguarding company resources, improving operational efficiency, and maintaining financial accuracy. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm here to walk you through the audit plan for receipt and receivable. This area has been classified as medium to high risk due to potential challenges such as late collection, misapplied receipts, and unconfirmed balance, all of which can affect cash flow and the accuracy of financial reporting. Under this, our primary objectives are to reconcile receipt with bank statement, unconfirm receivables with customers, check the timeliness of collections, assess discount and allowances applied, verify the accuracy of aging reports, reconcile receipt with invoices, and check compliance with audit policies. This audit is planned for quarter 4 and we are allocated 7 man days for this. As a part of this review, we are delivered the following 3 reports. Receivable aging accuracy report to verify that the customer balances are properly aged with reported. The second one is receipt reconcile report, assessing whether the receipts are accurately managed with invoices and bank records. Credit policies and compliance report is the final one to evaluate whether the credit and collection practices align with approved policies. That's the overview of the receipt and reconciliation of audit. Thank you.
Yes, let's go over the audit plan for payments and payables. Our goal here is to verify the accuracy and legitimacy of the company expenditures. First, we will where have records to ensure that payment is properly documented and authorized. This helps prevent errors and unauthorized transactions. Next, we will reconcile the payables ledger with supplier statements. This step is crucial to identify any discrepancies and ensuring that all outstanding balances are accurately recorded. We also need to access overdue payables and related financial risks. Late payments can lead to penalties and impact supplier relationships. So, we will analyze outstanding amounts and highlight potential risks. Finally, we will review the internal control over payment authorization. We need to ensure that the approval process is robust, follow company policy, and minimize and risks of fraud or mismanagement. By focusing on these areas, we can strengthen financial controls and improve the company's payment process. Let's make sure we address any gaps and implement necessary improvements. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I will take you through the audit plan for bank reconciliation. This area has been categorized as high to medium risk as issues such as unreconciled transaction and delay in reconciliations can impact the accuracy of the financial records and decision making. Under this, our subsequent procedures are to reconcile the cash book with bank statements, investigate and resolve discrepancies, ensure bank fees are accurately recorded, and confirm that reconciliations are being conducted regularly. This audit plan is for quarter 3 and we have allocated 3 man days for this. As part of this review, we will deliver 3 reports. First one is reconciliation accuracy report. Second one is discrepancy analysis report, which summarizes the issues and root causes. And then reconciliation timeliness audit report that evaluates whether reconciliations are timely completed. That's about the bank reconciliations area. Thank you.
I will present the audit plan for account submission that's scheduled for fourth quarter. So our objectives are included as ensuring compliance with accounting standards, confirming timely tax filings, reviewing document filing, and evaluating approval processes. So as the risk level is medium to low, this will be primarily be a routine review, but it's still critical to maintaining the organizational financial integrity because non-compliance with accounting standards, delayed tax payments, and or inaccuracies in statements can lead to penalties or reputational damage. So we have allocated 5 man days for this review, and the outcomes will be summarized into 3 parts. So those are financial statement accuracy report, deadline adherence audit report, and supporting schedules review report. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Process implementation. This audit focuses on areas such as process design effectiveness, employee training, internal control compliances, and documentation. Given its medium risk factor, we have scheduled audits in quarter 2 and quarter 4, ensuring through evaluation and critical points. With 6 man days allocated, our team will assess compliance and efficiency, leading to 3 key reports: the process documentation review report, stakeholder training audit report, and implementation timeliness analysis report. These insights will help strengthen our internal process and ensure smooth execution. Thank you.
Before we wrap up, I would like to emphasize that this audit ensures Fund Chemist operates its financial integrity, minimize risk, and strengthen internal controls. It provides us with the actionable insight to make better decisions and build trust across the organization. If there are any final thoughts or concerns, now the time to share. And thank you all for your inputs and attention. Together, we will make this audit a success. Thank you.